Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add link to TikTok bio. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok. Now click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on Edit Profile option. In order to add the link, you'll have to copy the link that you want to add. I have already done that, so tap on Add Bio option. Now paste the link, and if you're done, tap on Save option. However, if you want to add a clickable link, then you'll have to convert your account into business account. And that is how you can add link to TikTok bio. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.